Now we are going to start mechanism of hormone action. Hormone is nothing, it is a chemical messenger or non-nutrient substance which is secreted from the endocrine gland and always act on target organ. You know very well about the hormone and chemical nature of the hormone, like proteinous nature, steroidal nature, fatty nature, peptide nature, amino acid derivative nature. There are various type of hormone, but mainly the action of the hormone on the cellular receptor, there are two types. First is proteinous hormone, it might be peptide hormone, and second is steroidal hormone. So I want to know about proteinous and how the proteinous hormone act on the cells receptor and what the mechanism takes place, and another hormone, steroidal hormone, how the steroidal hormone act on the cellular receptor and when how it penetrate to the cells and activate the DNA system. So first is activation takes place in the cellular membrane, plasma membrane, and second activation occurs in the nucleus, inside the nucleus, inside the chromosome, genes, DNA, and initiate the gene action to start physiological response. So one by one, I would say first is proteinous hormone. So here is the proteinous hormone. So first hormone is glucagon. You know about the glucagon? Glucagon is the one of the hormone which is secreted from the Eilert-Langerhans cells which contain alpha cells. So alpha cells secrete a hormone glucagon, and glucagon which helps in glucose metabolism. So it increase the glucose in blood. So how the mechanism takes place in cellular level, at cellular level. So first the glucagon act on the cell receptor which is present on plasma membrane. That cell receptor is called G receptor. G receptor which activate the GTP system and gets energy, and it is split into alpha and beta receptor. Alpha not A, it is a lambda. It's a lambda and beta receptor. So one of the receptor which activate the plasma membrane where the enzymes are produced, that enzyme is called adenine cyclase. So adenine cyclase which act on the ATP to convert cyclic AMP. So now this is the first response occurs. First response occurred at receptors levels and secretion of the enzyme which converts cyclic AMP. This is the first receptor, and then the second receptor or second messenger cascade start by forming cyclic AMP. And cyclic AMP act on the protein kinase, inactive protein kinase, to convert active protein kinase, and active protein kinase activate phosphorylase from inactive to active. And now the phosphorylase act on the glucagon or glycogen to convert glucose. Answer glucose. So glucose synthesis occurs inside the cell cycle is moved, and glucose comes out across the plasma membrane and increase the quantity, increase in blood level. So here is the action of the glucagon hormone. Glucagon. So this is the proteinous mechanism. Acts on the plasma membrane receptors. So this is the another mechanism is steroidal hormone. So steroidal hormone act on the DNA system. So DNA system is the system which present inside the nuclear level. So here the hormones which first cross the plasma membrane, it comes into the intracellular space and it travel whole the cytoplasm area or cytoplasm area and act on the nuclear receptors and bind with the nuclear receptor to form the hormone receptor complex, then the hormone receptor complex which activate the DNA at the transcription level where the DNA convert DNA form to RNA. So here is the formation of the RNA takes place. So RNA which convert protein, and protein which finally involved in the physiological response. So its physiological response is the conversion of glycogen into glucose. So this is the process of a type of mechanism where the steroidal hormone activates the DNA system which is present inside the nucleus and form the protein through the activation process, and finally physiological response. So this is all about the mechanism of hormone action. So it is very important for the NEET or upcoming AIIMS examination. So this mechanism, so you know very well about. It might be asked the question from the G receptors. So what is G receptor? How it activated? Which receptor take or activate the adenyl cyclase system? So lambda and beta. It might be asked the question from this side. And what is adenyl cyclase? What is the role of the adenyl cyclase? So it is the second messenger cascade start. So it convert ATP to cyclic AMP. Third question would be asked in NEET examination. So be prepared and be alert. Third one is, so this is the mechanism, biochemical mechanism. So would be asked the question from the protein kinase inactive to active, phosphorinase active, inactive to active, and finally how they. Second question is arise in the how the steroidal action hormone. So where it acts on the DNA system. So it acts on the DNA system, activate to start the gene action. First DNA to form RNA, then protein, and then protein is helping the physiological activity. So same process, same mechanism, same target takes place in both cases, but the action of the hormone, okay, will be different. So this is the related questions will be asked in competitive examination, upcoming competitive examination. Okay, thank you.